Futures trading is risky and can result in substantial financial loss.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. And here we are, 2008, and it's going to be great. There's going to be a lot of volatility. If you haven't caught my last video, it's called the Weekend Webinar. What was that, 12/20/07, Mike? Is that the date on that?
That's going to be,
Moo! Yeah, 12/20/07. I'm sure that's the date. In fact, I think I looked it up today. Take a look at the Weekend Webinar video, and I have a feeling that, was it 12:20? No, it's not. It's got to be like 12:29, right? Or 12:30?
I think it was.
You know, I just seen it today.
It's
12:30.
Yeah.
The video is dated 12/30/07, the Weekend Webinar. Go take a look at that, traders, because it sort of encapsulates everything that I'm thinking should happen for at least the first quarter to first half of 2008. So take a look at that. But for tomorrow, we have a green Omni going up in the wheat. We have a red Omni going down in the S&P. And we have a red Omni going down in the NASDAQ. Looks to me like the NASDAQ and S&P certainly have a little more downside to test this week. We have employment numbers coming out at the end of the week, and that is certainly going to be meaningful. And I think that they're just going to keep leaning on it. If you look back at that video I just mentioned, you'll see a lot of reasoning why there's a lot of weight on these markets right here. And it's going to be a rocky start to 2008. So make sure you do your homework on these charts. Do your homework on these markets. Take a look and see what you think for yourself. Don't ever leap before you look. Always, always, always do your homework first. And I don't know, traders. I'm looking at somewhere around the 1470s. Right now we're trading about 1461 in the S&P. I think we can get up into the 1470s, and then they're going to crack them again. In fact, tomorrow the SPH, the Emini, the ESH8, the SPH8 would be the large one. For the E-mini and the S&P, we're looking for the Omni to be short around 1470, a little bit higher than that actually. Omni says to sell in the mid to low 1470s. As we rally up, you're going to kick some out up there. Omni's profit objective is the mid 1420s. You heard that right, traders. We're looking for the 1470s and then down into the 1420s, but probably not for 1 to 2 trading sessions. I don't think we'll get that low tomorrow. And in fact, there is some support expected around the 1446 level. So if you sell it in the 70s and we get lucky and we trade down into the 40s, around 46, you may have some support today. And then I think by tomorrow, you can actually see the 1420s. Wow, that's a big trade, traders. So we're looking for the downside. As always, put your stops in. Place your stops first. For my members at my site, go to the Omni page and check exactly where our stops are supposed to be. For members that have not signed up yet, if you're just watching this video, if you sign up at my site, www.livewithoscar.com, and you go to the Omni page, you get an exact point where I want you to sell, not just in the mid-1470s. It'll tell you exactly where I want you to get short, and it'll tell you exactly where to put your buy stop, and exactly where we're going to take our profit. So come on down to the site. If you're just watching these videos, especially for the first time, take a look. Come to the site. Take a look at the Omni page so you can see exactly what we're looking to do. So that's the S&P. We also have the NASDAQ, another red Omni to the downside. I shouldn't even applaud that, right? It's going down. But we're short-term traders. We don't care up or down. As long as it goes like this, we're good. All right. The NASDAQ, the ENH8 for the mini NASDAQ. Omni says to sell in the low to mid 2090s. That's going to take a little bit of a rally before we get there, as with the S&P. But if it gets up a little bit, we're going to kick some out. So be careful up there. Get ready. Omni says sell them in the mid to low 2090s. Omni's profit objective is the mid to high 2020s. So on the way down, just like the S&P on the big drop we're expecting there, within 1 to 2 trading sessions, we think we can see it somewhere in the 2020s. Wow. So if you get a bit of a rally this week, we're still looking for it to happen by week's end, but most likely within the next 1 to 2 trading sessions, you may get that. In the wheat, we have a green Omni. Yeah, you can applaud a green Omni, baby. I love the up market. The wheat looks fantastic. Omni says to buy it in the mid to low 900 teens. In other words, right now we're trading around 920. If it gets into the 9 teens, somewhere between 920 and 910, grab yourself some March wheat. I think it's going to do you some good. Omni's profit objective is the mid to low 950s or be out by the close. Again, we're expecting the upside in the wheat. We're going to buy it as it approaches the 19, somewhere between 920 and 910. Put your stop at a sensible place. Remember this, the wheat locked limit up today. It was limit down a couple of days ago. It has big moves. You cannot play this with a stop this small. So remember, place a sensible stop in the wheat. And then we're looking for it to get into the 950s or be out by the close. So that's the wheat. That's 3 markets. We're expecting down, down, and up. Let's see what's going to happen. Again, indices down, grains up, especially the wheat. There's a lot of other markets, traders I've been looking at, but you know what? Let's start the year off slowly. Today, I didn't put out an Omni until I guess around midday, maybe a little bit after midday, after the chop session was over. I got our Omniac short in the S&P around the 1463 level. We dropped all the way to 1449 and we covered around 1451 to 1452. So nice trade. We started the year off with a winner, baby. You gotta love the winners. All right. Do not trade alone, traders. I have said this many times in my videos, and we're getting a lot of fans to come to our site and a lot of great traders. Don't trade alone. If you're sitting by your computers by yourself with information coming down from your Reuters or wherever you get your news from and trying to look through all the quotes and figure out what's going on, don't try to do that alone. It's very intimidating. Come to where the pros are. Come to our site. Come into the chat rooms. We have traders from all over the world in those chat rooms sharing information. I'm certainly in there every day. There are cameras fixed on me and a live microphone, so you get to hear my thoughts, you get to see me. And I guess that makes me about the most accountable trader in the world, because not only do I give you the recs, but then I stand there on camera for you to beat me up when I'm wrong. But I try not to be so wrong. I try to be as accurate as possible. And the only way to do that is to do hours of studying every day and night. And that's what I do, and you can count on that. And I will study every day and every evening to help bring you the most accurate calls that we can possibly come up with. Remember, traders, this has never been about you following my trades like I'm the guy that has the Holy Grail, because I don't have the Holy Grail, because no one has it, and it doesn't exist. But the Holy Grail does lie within the analysis of markets. If you look at charts and you know how to analyze them well, you can certainly get yourself a much better edge than just flipping a coin and seeing what's going to happen. So do your homework, come down to the site, study with us every day. You can send me emails anytime you'd like at oscar@futuresanalysts.com. Traders, if you don't know, we have a YouTube presence with 200 and...
This would be 250.
50, that's right, baby. 250th video today. Hooray! 250th video today. A lot of videos have all sorts of good analysis techniques for you. So go to my YouTube spot. It's www.youtube.com/futuresanalysts and subscribe to my videos. If you subscribe to the videos, the moment I put one out, you get an email from YouTube to let you know that we have the videos. Is that how they do it these days? Do they shoot you an email, Mikey?
When you log into YouTube, it actually notifies you that there's a new video out.
So if you subscribe to my videos as we put them out, YouTube will let you know the moment you check YouTube to look at anything, you'll find out that we have a video there. Again, with 250 videos, and there'll be another one just about every day. There's lots for you to learn, traders. I never hold back. I give the best information I can possibly give, and it will help you with your trading. So go to the site, subscribe to the YouTube video so that you can stay in tune with us. All right, I know I've said it a million times, but do your homework. Please do your homework first. Those videos will teach you how to do your homework. And better than that, the classes I hold every day at my site will really help you do your homework. So again, don't trade alone. Come trade with us. Let me teach you how to do analysis. Let the other traders in the room help you out with your thoughts, with your trades, and see what you can come up with. There's a lot of strength in unity, traders. There's a lot of strength in numbers. It's way better than trying to do this by yourself. All right, we have chat rooms at the site. We have poker you can play. It's not poker, but it's slot machines, right? We got slot machines there for you to play. And you know what? If you play the Omni slots, you can win Omni points. And you know what? We have the odds absolutely geared for you traders to win. So don't be disappointed. Come play the Omni slots. They give you 2 Omni bucks. In fact, I still have them from last year, baby. They give you 2 Omni bucks every time you place some sort of a posting in our forums. If you place a posting in the forums, you get 2 Omni bucks. Take those Omni bucks, put them in the Omni slot machine, pull the handle a few times, you get more Omni bucks, and you can redeem them for free classes at our site. It's well worth it to you traders. It's fun to do, and it's educational. So play the Omni slots right in the forums. People will answer you. I will answer you. There'll be banter back and forth, and you'll get something good out of it in return. All right, guess what? We're just starting to hover around the 3 million hit mark on our sites. 3 million. We're almost there. We're over 2.6 million already, and that is thanks to you fans and you traders. Thank you so much, OmniX, for making this possible for us. You're really, really helping. Thank you so much. All right, traders, I'm going to give you my phone number, and then I'm going to run. It's 702-629-4755. And last but certainly not least, say this to yourself every day, every morning, every evening. Say it when you're having celebrations, when it's your birthday, when it's your mother-in-law's birthday. Say it all the time, because it will help you with your emotions when you're trading. And you know what that is? Stops are in. Emotions are out.
Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided. That being said, I am a 24-year seasoned trader on and off the floors. This is how I've made my living for many, many years. Good luck trading.